I'm ready.
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to the journey.
Wait, where's my camera? Like always. There it is.
On that side.
On that side. Not on that side corner, not on up there.
It's always on the right side.
For you. For you. For me, sometimes it's on the left side. Anyways.
Well, when I set up the camera,
right.
It's always on the right side.
So, what are we doing today?
Moving the blacksmith shop.
Yay! Finally moving the blacksmith shop. Why haven't we moved it, babe?
Yeah, a couple reasons. For one, I've actually been working on a few projects that I was trying to get done before I moved the shop, which I can actually show one. And I don't do knives. I don't like doing knives, but I was actually doing a knife for somebody. And I don't know if you can see.
It cracked.
It
Look,
broke.
See? Oh, it's going to show.
If you can see.
If they can see it.
Focus.
Somewhere. Ooh, there it is. See that? See that crack? There's about 2 of them there.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Yeah.
So, well, I don't like doing knives.
Yeah.
I'm just not good at it, for one. And 2, I really don't have the equipment to be doing knives. But
yeah.
I'm going to start this over. I am going to get it done. Because I actually have 2 of these to make. And
yeah.
I'm now going to go ahead and just move the shop, and I'll take care of it over there.
Yep. So, babe, what was another reason why we couldn't move all of this blacksmith stuff over?
I don't know. You tell me. What's the other reason?
I don't know. You tell me. Well, we had to clean. What else do you think? We had to clean the shop. What shop? The shop over there on the other property.
Yeah.
Yeah, along with a small little shed that was attached to it that had all of the old watery memorabilia stuff. Yeah, so.
If you guys, that was the Monday's video, so if you have not seen that, we can actually link that up over Gladys's head here. And we will also have that down in the description and possibly like first comment type thing. You guys can go check that link out for that video. But we also have some more footage that we did on Sunday. Yeah,
we did on Sunday because I was feeling, like I wanted to do something and clean instead of stay at home and take my day off. So check out our cleaning shenanigans that we did Sunday, and we'll be right back.
To move some blacksmith stuff.
Okay. Hey, babe, what you doing? What you doing?
You say you want something tore down.
Yes, I do. You got that right. I need to get in there. And you can't breathe in there with all that junk and all the walls and only one entrance.
I'm going to attempt to rip this down with my truck.
Oh, I just said I wanted a couple of walls down. Make it easier. Oh, boy. Get it done. Get it done. Whee! Hey, should I forward this truck? All right, are you ready? Let's do it. Here we go. Come on, little truck.
You have to.
Yay!
Okay.
And there's fireworks and everybody's clapping and cheering. We did it! It wasn't that big. Go ta-da! All right. Too much fun. All right, let's unhook it and let's pick up that and throw it in the truck. I guess it's my turn to back up this truck. It's hot out here. The sun is shining. And I'm short. I need to scoot in. There we go. Alrighty then. God, I need some sunblock. Let me see if I see him. There we go. Are we doing this right, guys? Baby steps, baby steps. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's my big old finger on the camera side. And I'm like, where's the camera? Where's the camera? There's the camera. Okay. I know, I'm used to looking at another corner of this phone. And Sometimes I'm like, where is it? Where is it? Yeah. So he's got it hooked. You ready? Promotion. I'm ready. Let me give you another angle, guys. Are you ready?
Ready.
Am I ready? I don't know if I'm ready. I'm giving it from my perspective, guys. Sorry if this is all shaky. I think y'all can see it right there. Are you ready?
No, you can't see it.
No, they can't see it.
No,
Oh, they see you.
They see me.
Why do they see you? Is it right there?
It's more towards the passenger side of the truck.
Like this?
You want me to hold that?
OMG, Becky. Yeah, you might as well just hold it. I said hold it so you can see over there.
Oh,
not
okay.
me.
Right here. I'm gonna see if can I flip this around.
Yeah, you can definitely. So boop.
Boop.
Did it happen?
No.
No.
There we go.
All right.
Now I gotta flip it around.
Ready?
I know. Are you ready?
I am.
All right, go ahead.
Tighten up my bun. Ready?
Now, I do have it a little bit on the base, so we'll see. It might pull part of that base out too. I don't know.
Hopefully.
We'll see.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Here goes nothing. Slowly or fast?
A little fast. That was mud.
Ready?
Go.
Go.
All right. Someone's excited.
I got the bigger blast of everything.
Yeah. I got the debris and mud in my face.
All right, like I promised, here is our after picture, or should I say video. Ta-da!
Okay, so as you can see, everything is loaded up. Gladys actually had to take off to go get the kiddo, but I already got the truck connected. Everything is ready. So now we're gonna head to the property. So I'll see you there in 3, 2, 1. Just like that, we've made it to the property. So this trailer, coming up and over that little bump for the culvert, it's a little more trickier with this because, for one, it does bottom out a little bit on the tongue. I don't know, you can probably see, and I could probably show you right here that it picks up the rocks a little bit, kind of digs in. Not bad, but enough. But this one is actually, I'm out of practice backing in trailers. I just have not really done it enough. And like I said, when you're coming in through that gate, you know, I've said on previous videos, when you're coming in through that gate, it's a constant radius as you're coming through, you know, plus trying to dodge stuff and trying to make it through 2 posts with a 16-foot trailer is challenging. For me, it's challenging because you have to really cut it in close on the left-hand side or driver's side as you're coming in. That way you have enough room to be able to turn without hitting the neighbor's barbed wire fence. So in doing that, you know, you're coming in, and then you have to pull up a little bit, and then you have to back it in, then pull up a little bit, and then do that. So not only did I hit the culvert once with the trailer tongue, or twice, but 3 times. So I'm going to have to repair some of that rock in there. But as of right now, this trailer is actually going to be staying here on the property. Once we've got this emptied out, I'm going to be putting it almost kind of like behind where you guys are at. But right now, it's time to start unloading and putting all this stuff into the shop. So no time like the present. I don't need to necessarily wait for Gladys. They are going to be coming here, her and Anixa. But why wait? Let's get to work. probably going to be a little dark, but there's the forge and its location. I am going to have to change some stuff up. Obviously, organization. We'll get in here another day and do some organizing, but for now, everything's in here. And that's what we really needed.
Pennies in the ground.
Wow, really?
So many. One right there, one right
pennies.
there.
You said pennies.
I said pennies. And are you recording me already? How dare you? Either way, it don't matter.
I like catching you off guard.
We're done.
We're done.
Everybody, we're done. We're done right now.
Yeah.
With this part.
We are done moving the blacksmith shop, but not necessarily getting it set up for use.
So yeah, so tomorrow, that's our plan. He's going to set up his shop. We're going to clean up the rest of that big old pile that's in the front that I keep telling him about. So hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow. Another nice day.
Yeah,
it did rain last night. So
we'll see.
Yeah. So enough about the weather.
Enough about the weather. Yeah, we got more rain to do. We do have more rain coming, though. I can't talk.
We have more rain due.
We have more rain due. Yeah, that's how we do.
So, yeah. So, for me, it's time to go home and make some tortillas.
Yeah, I need to park this trailer and drop it.
So, yeah.
And head that way myself.
Yeah, woohoo. All right. Hope y'all loved this video. Oops. Sorry.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, we're done. Yeah, I'm due for a shower.
So, all the general stuff, as we always say.
What do we say?
Check all the links down in the description. Greatly appreciated.
Or I don't know.
Yeah.
And don't forget to always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on
Veterans Day.
All right. Bye, guys.
See y'all next one. Later, y'all.